All right, got a Gravely Pro Stance 32. Just installed the trimmer mount kit. Upper part, here's the lower part. It's not too bad to install. I did have help. Basically, this whole unit right here comes apart. You just assemble this together, and this bracket right here, 2 original bolts. You just remove them, drop this assembly down on it, drop your bolts down. You got 2 nuts under here. You know, your nuts, remove your nuts and all that. But there's this black plate washer, covers the span of both of those nuts. Make sure you get that back on. The deck did pull down, kind of cocked it like that, so I had to raise it back up, tilt it, while I had my wife start the nuts on for me, and then I tightened her down. This one right here, the original bolt, nuts on the inside. Take this off, put this unit on, same thing as the other one. Comes into pieces. You just assemble it. Very simple to assemble it, a little swing arm assembly. This bolt comes in a kit, goes in a hole just like that. It is a non-threaded hole. It threads itself, holds good. This bolt right here, couldn't get to it. You can probably get a wrench in there, ratchet wrench, and tinker with it, but I just had my wife hold this forward, and I brought my ratchet through there with a 3-inch extension with the 15 millimeter. This one's a 15 millimeter nut. If I'm not mistaken, all the rest are 14s, but I got that in there. Now this bolt, factory bolt, to reuse, is a little on the short side once you put that plate on there, so it doesn't come all the way to the end of that nut once you dog it down, so it's a little short. Other than that, wasn't too bad to install. So there it is. Hadn't seen anything online about installing these things, so figured I'd throw it up there.